case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1998, acclaimed Southern California artist and photographer Jorge Antonio Sandoval spurred a legal showdown with the Hollywood heavyweights behind the gritty psychological thriller Seven. Sandoval accused the producers and distributors of the blockbuster movie of copyright infringement, alleging they used 10 of his copyrighted photographs without his permission. The legal battle revolved around the iconic scene in the movie Seven, where the film's detectives meticulously search the home of a serial killer who himself was a photographer. Displayed in poor lighting, partly blurred, and at a great distance, Sandoval's self-portrait photographs formed part of the macabre and unsettling backdrop. Despite the clandestine nature of their presentation, these photos by Sandoval, who held the copyrights though they had never been published or shown publicly, were considered by the artist to be integral to his infringement claim. But the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York did not see it that way. The court decreed that the reproduction of Sandoval's works was so minimal, de minimis in legal terms, that it didn't equate to copyright infringement. It further applied the 4 factors outlined in Section 107 of the Copyright Act, effectively determining the use of the copyrighted material in question was fair. Further escalating the dispute, Sandoval, undeterred, appealed to the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit. However, he found no legal relief there either. Upholding the original ruling, the appellate court concluded that the alleged copying in the movie was so minimal it didn't meet the threshold of substantial similarity per copyright law requirements. Adding salt to the wound, the court also issued a stinging verdict on the visual prominence of Sandoval's photos in the film. Essentially, it ruled that due to their obscure presentation, highlighted by unfavorable lighting and fleeting appearance in a total of 11 eccentric shots, they were not substantial or significant enough to warrant legal recompense for copyright infringement. Consequently, Sandoval's claim was again dismissed, and the movie makers were vindicated, marking the end of a drawn-out and compelling chapter in Hollywood copyright battles.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.